What's good with this? Chikko builds, you feel me? With another video. And today, we're gonna be fixing this little baby up, switching the belt. And well, it's gonna be easier for you guys to see how to do it because there's nothing on the front. But if you guys have it, it's probably not clapped and crashed. So I'm basically just gonna show you guys close up the visuals and all that on how to do this. And you're only gonna need like 3 tools too. You're gonna need a little Allen right here, a hex 6 mil, a breaker bar 1/2 inch, and you're gonna need a 10 mil because you're gonna have to take off this coolant reservoir that's right here. But of course it's already clapped out, so it doesn't even have it. And what we're basically gonna do is use that breaker bar, put it in here, and we're gonna turn the tensioner so that we could stick in the hex 6 mil through these two, and we'll lock it up, take off the breaker bar, and then we could take off the belt. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna stick this baby in here. Go ahead and do a little. What you got lined up, go ahead and stick the 6 in there like this. Go ahead and take out the breaker bar and take out the belt. Sheesh, this belt looking duty, bro. Slipping through the back right here. Okay. Sheesh. Yo. And just like that, you got the belt off. Alright, so now I got it off. I got the new belt right here. You get it at AutoZone, wherever, O'Reilly's. But I'm basically gonna start off from the right and go to the left. I feel like it's way easier. And I'll put the pattern up too so you guys can see how it goes. Get that out of here for me. But once you get right here, basically gonna be like the little hard part. I mean, I would suggest releasing the tension right here to put it on this bottom one. Now that I think of it, because it feels kind of tight, but you know what I mean. But yeah, put it up there, release the tension right here, try to put it in this one right here. And then once it's all good and secure, this one could be the last one. And then there you go, you got the belt inside. And then after you put the belt in though, I'd go ahead and check it, see if everything's good. You know what I mean? Nice and tight. Don't want that belt ripping or nothing, you feel me? But yeah, it looks cool. I went to go take a dump, but I'm back, you feel me? But yeah, so now once you got it all good and everything, you checked it all out, you go ahead and release the tension. So put your breaker bar in there. Oops. Put your breaker bar in there, you feel me? Take out that bad boy. There you go. Oh, bruh. My stomach messed up, bruh. You feel me? I had some Mexican food, so you know how that goes. So I'm all done doing this, but of course yours probably isn't gonna be all opened up like this, clapped out. So you'll have to put this back on with the 2 10 mils, one right here, one right here. the tool, of course, the other one connecting. But anyway, this 350Z is clapped out, bro. I have a lot to do still. I gotta replace the fan radiator. I'm waiting for this part. I forgot what the heck it's called. But gotta replace the intakes, hood, front bumper, bro. I got a lot to do, but I got the belt knocked out because it's all opened up. Did it real quick, like 5 minutes, because I'm Chikko builds, you feel me? Nothing's too hard for me. I could do anything around here, but anyway, if you guys like this content, though, go ahead and like and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, N54Chikko. Follow my other TikTok, Chikko builds, you feel me? I a little carried away, but yeah, bro, I'm making more YouTube videos on this baby shortly, so stay tuned. Y'all have a good one. Peace.